If you are looking for the best combination lock, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. DELSWIN 4-digit combination disc padlock. This specially designed 4-digit combination lock uses a specially hardened steel shackle and tough metal body to ensure maximum security against bad weather, thieves using their desired tools or even strong impacts from heavy equipment. The body shape minimizes the visibility of the shackle and keeps every key part tucked away in a layer of heavy-duty materials, while the easy-to-set combination means that you won't get stuck using the default option. The product is protected against common tool types, such as bolt cutters, hammers, and small saws. Number 2. BV Store Combination Lock. This travel-focused combination lock uses a very small body that is perfect for on-the-go security, protecting your luggage without adding to its weight or standing out from other suitcases and bags. The 3-dial system gives you over 1,000 possible codes, making it very difficult for a thief to guess, and the combination reset button is hidden in the body to prevent people from simply undoing it. It is also compatible with bag inspections at airports or border checkpoints and shows a small red nub to tell you that the suitcase has been opened using special customs tools. Number 3. Disecu 4-digit combination lock. This zinc alloy and steel combination lock uses a standard 4-digit combination setup, giving you over 10,000 individual padlock combination settings to choose from. The long shackle makes it more versatile when dealing with storage tools, whether it is crates, lockers, boxes, suitcases, or even bags. Thanks to the metal padlock body, the lock can resist rust, bad weather, and direct cuts from lock-breaking tools, making it hard to break even with some of the best gear available. Not only that, but its low weight makes it a great outdoor lock. Number 4. Desired Tools Combination Lock. This multi-purpose combination lock uses a very basic, reliable design that offers a tough shackle, a durable plated steel body, and over 10,000 possible combination settings to ensure that you can lock your possessions away easily. Each padlock is available in multiple colors, allowing for the easier distinction if you are using them at school or for multiple containers at once, and the high-quality materials offer much greater protection from cutting tools or people who would normally just try to break the padlock open. Number 5. Master Lock 175 DLH Combination Padlock. This high-quality combination padlock is designed for indoor use, maximizing security and strength without being too limited in terms of how well it can protect your possessions or product boxes. The durable lock body is made using hardened steel that provides a huge amount of cutting resistance, while the wider body and longer shackle shape make it more versatile in terms of where you can actually use it. The reset system requires a special change tool that is included with the lock, meaning that it is much harder for a thief to reset your lock combination with basic equipment.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.